Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your friends on Spotify. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Spotify application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into your homepage. Now from your homepage, in order to find your friends, simply tap on your library and then you will find various recommendations. From this screen, tap on your account icon at the top left corner and then you can tap on View Profile. This will then take you into your profile page, from which you can tap on the three dots alongside the Edit button and then you will find the Find Friends option. Simply go ahead and tap on it and then you can connect your Facebook account to Spotify by tapping on Connect Facebook. Now all you need to do is go ahead and link your Facebook account with Spotify by tapping on the Continue As button. Once you do this, Spotify will identify your Facebook friends and then you can also find them on your Spotify application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your friends on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.